looking back at the monitor, I'm thoroughly impressed. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome on back. So y'all, I have been so MIA. It's not even funny. Like the last video I posted was probably like a month and a half ago. Your girl's been busy, but I am back a little darker because you know it's my favorite time of year, so your girl caught a tan. But nonetheless, I'm here. I have so like literally so much like stuff that I have yet to like open. So and one of these boxes has one of the palettes that I've been dying to play with today. But I honestly, y'all, I have not had time. I have not, literally, legit, your girl has not had time. But nonetheless, here we are. I'm gonna put together a nice little get ready with me. So if you're interested in, you know, seeing what I got to say, like, you know what to do, keep on watching. So first things first, my face is already prepped and primed. I'm gonna start off with my eyes first, and I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. Y'all, I had to step away and open a couple of these boxes so I could know what I'm playing with. But nonetheless, here we are. I've heard really great things about it, but I haven't seen a lot of people actually using the palette. So I'm gonna, you know, try it out for myself and see what happens. I really do like the palette, like actual cover, because I mean, it looks so much like those little beach bags. I like the material. So shout out Anastasia, like, you legit knew what you're doing when you dropped this palette. So what I'm gonna do, or what I've already done, I am so in love with this combo right now. In the morning, before I get ready to put on my makeup, this is the Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Face Serum. And this is literally, I have oily skin, so I'm always like, when it says all skin types, I'm a little weary because I'm like, y'all lying. But this is legit. But I mixed this with the MURAD City Skin Age Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 50 PA+++++. It's a mineral sunscreen, and it says environmental protection technology. And I will say, because this is a serum and you mix this with sunscreen, it gives a nice consistency. Like, y'all, take my word for it. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm going to take my NARS concealer, because I can't find my P. Louise because it's somewhere in some unpacked bags. And I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. I have literally been all over the place. So I have been to Puerto Rico with my friends. It was a friendcation, and we decided like, hey, you know, let's go. And I've been working on my music, which I'm excited. I know y'all have been like, girl, where is the music? Like, we tired of hearing you talk about it and not really seeing it. But trust me, good things come to those who wait. I will say the single will drop sometime in June. I am getting ready to go to Chicago with my mom for Mother's Day. And y'all know J-Day, my birthday, is literally like the Tuesday, Wednesday after Mother's Day weekend. I think God had it planned in a way, because my birthday, how good my birthday is always like dependent on how good my Mother's Day is. So what I think I'm gonna do is, I think I'm just gonna take this color Coastline right here, and I'm just gonna buff that into my crease a little bit, see how I feel about it. But no, like I was saying, I have been traveling all over. I'm getting ready, after, literally by the time this video goes up, I will either already be in Nashville or getting ready to go to Nashville for the Music Biz Conference, which I'm super excited. I told y'all in my last couple of videos that this time of year is actually really, really busy for me. But anyways, I digress. Next, what I'm gonna do is, because y'all know when I sit down, I don't really have a plan. I just kind of go with the flow. So I'm just going to take, y'all know I love me a good purple. So I'm just gonna go in with Canes. I love this color right here. I mean, I love a good purple. I mean, pink is my signature color, but I mean, purple, it just sets some stuff off. So I'm just gonna take that onto my outer corner a little bit and just see what happens, because y'all, I've been doing my makeup, but it's been like my everyday looks. Like, I just need to throw on something to make me look put together, because I don't have a lot of time to just sit and just play with stuff. So today I'm gonna sit and play with some stuff. So just keep watching. now that I like where we're going, I'm just gonna take this pink color Monte Carlo and I'm just gonna kind of buff out the harsh lines at the top of my eye, just to make sure it has like a nice little diffused look. But I'm not doing too much because, I mean, why? Just why? And I'm gonna kind of like blend it in just a little bit with the purple shade, just a little bit, just because I like the gradient look, and when I get ready to cut my crease, it'll all make sense. It'll all make sense. So what I'm gonna do to cut my crease, shoot, if I can find it, I'm going to take this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the color, what is this? This is beige. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut my crease just a little bit because it's just how I feel today. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. So now what I'm gonna do is, I really love this Bahamas color. I've seen it all around, but I'm gonna try my best to play with it the best I know how. And I'm just gonna pack that on for now, and then I'll figure out what I'm trying to do after that. Alright, so we're cooking with gas. I like what I see so far. So good. It's a little powdery, but I guess I didn't blend as much as I should have. But I mean, YOLO at this point. So I'm just going to be taking this color right here. I'm not going to try to pronounce it right now because I'm just not in a good place to do so. But I'm just going to go ahead and place that onto the inner corner and just pack that on until I feel good about it. I think this color is so bomb, and I think it might be my actual like color I grabbed this summer, because I mean it's so cute. It's so cute. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna kind of mix that in with the pink color until I feel good about it. Make sure it looks very gradient, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of pull down so I'll know where I need to stop. You know, like, sis, you going too far? That's why I do that little for my own personal sake. But you, hey, listen, if you want to put it all over your legs, you can do that. You can do that. I'm not here to judge. I like this shade, but I do know, I think I'm going to have to put just a little bit more glitter on top of this pink shade. But I like where we're going. I like, you know, we're not on cruise control yet, but we definitely have hit our stride. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the actual brush that comes in the palette, and I'm going to spritz my brush with some all-nighter spray. And then I'm just gonna take this pink shimmery shade right here, and I'm just going to just place that on top of the pink already on my eye, and just let's see what happens. I don't really like matte eyeshadows too much, like matte eyeshadow looks, because I just feel like, why not add a little glitter? So I just put a little bit on just to give it a little extra pizzazz, you know, but not too much though. I went on ahead and did my lashes and mascara and eyeliner off camera so we could go ahead and get started with the face. Like I said, I've already primed my face with my Hello Honey and my MURAD mixture put together. Don't worry, I'll put all of this down below in the description box. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to take my Old and Faithful, I love this Tarte brush, and I'm just going to go in with, you know what? Alright, so I was gonna go in with my NARS foundation, but I'm feeling kind of drugstore-ish, and I haven't used my COVERGIRL foundation, the True Matte Made foundation. Y'all remember when they dropped this? Like, I want to see if it's still fire, because I haven't used it in a couple of months, so we about to see. And I'm in the color T60, and I'm just gonna give myself a few pumps. I have tanned a little, so I might have to use just a little bit of bronzer to help even me on out, you know, because I can't be out here looking cake face. Like, that's not cute. Oh, let me tell y'all what I did not get to do that I hate, and this is probably gonna be like one of the regrets on my list of like life regrets, and I only have like 3 of them thus far. But I do regret not going to the Millennium Tour with B2K, Chingy, Pretty Ricky, my beloved Mario. I mean, I was in Puerto Rico when they came to Atlanta, and I couldn't be butthurt because I was sitting on an island drinking pina coladas, tanning, like living a good life. But man, my friends are ruthless. Like, they kept posting stuff. I'm like, are you kidding me? Y'all know I'm not here. So I had to up my posting game in Puerto Rico to help, you know, make me feel a little better that I wasn't there. But man, oh man, I wanted to try to get to Nashville, you know, to see them there. I tried to get to Charlotte, but work conflicts. I'm like, what in the world? Like, but if it's any consolation, my mom made me feel better, because she's like, didn't we take you to the Scream Tour 1 and 2? And I believe there was a 3rd one that we like went to last minute in Dallas. And I was like, yeah, but still, I wasn't grown then. I'm grown now. And J Book, oh my goodness, he grown. Him and Mario, I'm like, ooh, Tom did y'all really well. I mean, really, really well. And then for concealer, I think I'm gonna still stick with the NARS 1.5. And I'm just gonna give myself just a little bit of concealer. I'm not really trying to do too much. 1, because I'm cheap and I know that this is almost on this last leg. And then 2, I've been watching Wayne Gross, I think that's his name, on YouTube. And he has been like my life hack. And I don't know where I've been to have not like seen any of his videos, but I'll link his video that changed my life on how to use concealers. I'll link that down below, because I feel like we all need to learn this lesson. So to set everything in place, I used to think I didn't need powder. I used to be like, oh, you know, no, your girl gets caked up under here, so I can't have those ugly creasy lines and all that good stuff. I can't do that. So I'm just gonna take Patrick's powder. It's on this last leg, but I'm gonna keep rolling until the wheels fall off. This still knocks. This in Cover FX probably is my favorite powder right now. Like, Cover FX is not coming to play with us. They're just not. Because if I'm not using Patrick's powder, I'm using the Cover FX powder. And before that, I was using DermaBlend, which DermaBlend, I haven't used it in a while, so I can't say too much. And because the seasons have changed, I can't really go into too much detail of what works and what might not work, because, I mean, things work for different people during different peak seasons. So I'm just gonna hold my thoughts. So I'm still using my Pure, like, I mean, ride or die. This is me. This is what I use. And I'm just gonna pat that all over my face until I feel good about it. Bring some color back into my skin. Make sure everything is right, because we can't be out here looking like some of the people that y'all be talking about on Instagram. And then to even me on out even more, I'm just gonna be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Saddle, and I'm just gonna work that where I want to be bronzed. I don't do too much with bronzing, because I just feel like I don't want to look like no Bratz doll. I'm sorry, but that's just not my ministry, so less is more. For highlighter, I think I'm gonna keep it in the Anastasia Beverly Hills family. I'm just gonna go in with my Amrezy highlighter, because this, I can say this still knocks, because I use it every day. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight a little, you know, on my forehead, just a little. Not doing too much, because again, the eyes are speaking and they are speaking loudly, so we gotta make sure that we're not going overboard, because, I mean, sis. Alright, and then for blush, what I'm going to do is, I have been loving, I don't know where I got this L'Oreal Infallible paint blush, but I like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 2 colors right here. I'm just going to mix them together and just dab the apples of my cheeks. Alright, so I'm just going to be using this NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Purple Velvet. And I am just going to place that onto my lower lash line. For lips, I want to go grab my lip liners. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take Cork, my all-time favorite. I mean, next to Espresso, NYX Espresso, like that's probably like two of my all-time favorite lip liners at the moment. But I'm just going to go ahead and just outline my lips just a little bit. And then I'm going to kind of color in just a little bit on my lower outer corners of my lips, just to give me that gradient effect that I like. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take, so Lip Bar, Black Owned Makeup brand, and I'm going to be using the Gloss Trophy Wife. It's not as thick as like other like Fenty Gloss Bomb. I know that Benefit, they have a gloss as well. This isn't like your typical like thick gloss. This is more like a lip topper, but it has a nice little shimmer that I like to go on because I kind of want to keep my lip nude because obviously we're doing a lot with the eyes right now. So just gonna work that onto my lips until I feel good about it. And to set everything off, just gonna go in with my beloved All Nighter spray. Alright y'all, so this is the completed look. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you want to see more of in the comments. If you're not already subscribed, you know what to do. Be like Nike, just do it. Join the fam, and we welcome you. Come on, come on. But yep, that's all the time that your girl has today. So remember, until my next upload, kindness doesn't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So until next time, remember to be kind and be you.